Hi all, welcome to Esafex. Um, so if you are signing up because you want to become a member of Esafex or someone has shared a safe with you and you want to access that safe with all the information, then sign up is the first step to get started. So let's fill in the email. If you are signing up because someone has shared the safe with you, then probably using the email is the best idea, the same email they have shared. But if not, that's fine. Uh, Once you sign up, then you can give them the email that you have signed up ECFX and they can share the information again. So let's quickly create an account just like any other system. Don't put in any credit card, not required. Just simply create an account. Make sure you create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN is necessary. It's an added layer of security so that no one can reset your password. So just create a PIN that you will remember. Password. Follow the guidelines that's will show. Click on agree terms and conditions, and you will be sent an OTP to confirm that the email that you have used is your email. So go into your email and then you will receive an OTP here. Just simply fill in this OTP and that's it. You're all done. It says OTP verification successful. Now just simply log in with the same email and password. And once you're logged in, then your account is created. Uh, You can simply fill in your details or you can skip it for now, but it's important that you fill in all these details. So you go on the save. Now, this is the first place where you can create a save. It's like a folder. And now your first save is created. Very excited. Now you can put in any the notes in here. This is what the person you are sharing with will see the notes as well. Uh, these notes no one can see. This is just for yourself, and you can upload any files in here. It's as simple. And in order to share with someone, all you have to do is just click share button and fill in the email that you want to share with whoever you want to say share with. And our system will automatically recognize if that person is in your client list or not, or a person you are sharing with. So just click add client plus share, and this will automatically share the safe. But if that person doesn't exist on eSafeX, they don't have an eSafeX account with this email, then our system will automatically trigger an email to them. But we advise that if you can let them know so that they don't hesitate signing up, and once they have created the account, then they can go into my save. Uh, the process is the same as we went through earlier. And over here, you will see shared with me tab as well. You should see this tab shared with me. And when you click, you can see the save that they had shared with you. And then this space, you should be able to see any notes that they have put in. Um, you can create your own notes over here and you can upload the files. So it's nice and simple. It's only one time that you have to do it. And then once the person is set up as a client over here, then all you have to do is just click on view save, create as many save you want to share with that person. And that's it. Our system will automatically take care of everything. You don't have to do anything. You just do your work and keep enjoying EasyFX. Um, Please contact us through contact us page on our website if you have any questions. We are gonna be showing more videos so that you know how to use it, but the system is nice and simple, pretty straightforward. So enjoy using ECFX and get your family and friends on it and have a secure digital future. Enjoy. See you later.